These are some frequently asked questions about the California Constitution in Article 20. How many sections does Article 20 have? It contains 10 sections. What does Article 20 relate to? It relates to miscellaneous provisions contained in the California Constitution. Is there a special provision made for Sacramento County? Section 1 of Article 20 provides that the County of Sacramento and all or any of the cities within that county may be consolidated as a charter city and county as provided by statute, and the approval of a majority vote of the electors of the county voting in favor of the charter is needed. Who protects real property for families? Section 1.5 requires the legislature to protect by law from forced sale a certain portion of the homestead and other property of all heads of families. Are there special provisions for universities or libraries? Section 2 provides that the rights, powers, privileges, and confirmations that are conferred by Sections 10 and 15 of Article 9 relating to Stanford University and the Huntington Library and Art Gallery are contained in there. Is an oath of office required? Section 3 states that members of the legislature and all public officers and employees of the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, except inferior officers and employees as may be exempted by law, are required to take and subscribe to an oath that is set forth in the state constitution before they are allowed to enter upon the duties of their respective office. Can there be legislation affecting franchise holder? Section 4 states that the legislature cannot pass any laws permitting the leasing or alienating so as to relieve the franchise of property held from the liabilities of the lessor or the grantor, the lessee or the grantee, and that's contracted or incurred in the operation, use, or enjoyment of the franchise. What is the status of laws of corporate entities? Section 5 specifies that all laws now in force in California concerning corporations and all laws may be passed pursuant to this section of the Constitution may be altered from time to time or repealed. What is the impact of legislative term limits? Section 7 provides that the limitations on the number of terms apply to terms to which persons are elected or appointed on or after November 6, 1990, except that an incumbent senator whose office is not on the ballot for the general election on that date may serve just one additional term. Is there an exception under the term limits law? Section 7 states that the limitations do not apply to any higher term which per elected appointed. The remaining alcoholic beverages use of the California right and the power to license, regulate the manufacture, sale, possession, and transfer beverages within the state of California. And finally, is the Assembly Speaker ex officio entities? Section 20 that the Assembly is officio member for any state agency created by the legislature in the field of public higher education, and that entity is charged with the management, administration, and control of the state college system here in the state of California.